So, good morning guys. So, today is November 9. It's actually almost 1 p.m. and kakagaling lang namin sa doctor because after the egg collection last October 26, we are scheduled to have our today. So, after 2 weeks. So, from 6 eggs, we only have 4, in which is good. And then this 4, yung may mga grades sila. Parang isa lang yung pinaka good quality or dalawa. Kinabahan ako. Isa 4BA, then 3BC, then 4BC, 4BC, ganun. So, parang among this, yung pinaka talaga good quality considered for them as a standard is 4BA. Ang pinakamataas talaga na grade is ng embryo is AA. So, and next is BA. So, hopefully, kung mag-transfer na, it will stick this 4BA. Si Baba! And then, ang sabi ni doctor, ni sensei, babalik kami sa next, cycle. Or, this cycle ko ata, something. Sabi niya. Kaya nagulat yung asawa ko. Sabi niya, ngayong buwan, ganun. So, ayun. Kasi in-expect namin, we thought na next month pa or something. So, yeah. Parang ngayon na talaga, ngayong week. So, according sa aking sked, bukas na ako duduguin. So, I don't know if madidelay again. Kasi usually, 1 or 2 days na didelay ako ganyan. So, yeah. So, that is our update for this IVF journey. And malapit na tayo. But I really pray and hoping that this baby, this embryo will be the one that would stick talaga. And ayun, para, dyan talaga yung gift sa amin ni Lord. Lagi sa amin. Please. Ayan, so, I'll see you, my child. I'll see you soon, I hope. Hello, guys. So, today is November 14. It's around 9 o'clock p.m. in the evening. And we had a schedule because apparently I got my period, so we have to visit the clinic, and we had a 5:45 p.m. schedule. So after work, nilipad namin yung clinic. Ayun, so today is my second day of menstruation. So ayun, binigyan lang naman kami ni sensei ng gamot. So, this one is parang Geminapil, something like that. So, parang lang siya. Parang siyang birth control pills, pero hindi yan ganun ang purpose, ha. Lagyan ko na ng date. Tomorrow kasi ako magsa-start. And then, nilagyan ko na para if ever makalimutan ko. Kasi I would be taking this once a day for 21 days. Ayan. So, after that, meron pa akong binigay pa sila na nasal spray. Apparently, this name is Basirilin nasal spray. And I have to take this on December 1. And sa isang araw, 3 times a day mo siya gagamitin. So, 1 in the morning, in the lunch or afternoon, and then evening. So, ayan. So, I think, according to my husband, sensei or the doctor told us na itong paggamit ng nasal spray is nakadepende sa kung kailan sabihin ni Doki, ni sensei na mag-stop na mag-take nito or mag-spray nito. Ito. So, ayun. Actually, this is in preparation for the embryo transfer, in which is scheduled next month pala talag. No, not next month. I think on January, tentatively. Kasi sa next ko na menstruation na cycle, that's the time again na I will visit the clinic, and then they would like, I think we will do an ultrasound, and you know, hindi ko alam kung ano bang ibibigay sa akin ni Doki, and that's doon niya na talaga masasabi siguro kung kailan talaga eksakto yung date ng embryo transfer. So more likely mga first week of January siguro, but I don't know, let's see. Okay, so kita nyo naman, meron kaming Christmas tree, the famous Christmas tree. So, November na kasi, so papasko na. So, ayun. So, I'll see you on the next update. Thank you. Bye! So, hello guys. So, today is December 20. We actually had our check-up last December 9 because I had my period on December 8, so we have to go back to the clinic, and then they advised us to start with the estrogen patches today. So starting today, I'll be putting my estrogen patches to make my, ito na talaga yung nagpapathick ng endometrium in preparation for, for the, frozen embryo transfer. Yeah. So, ayun lang, quick update lang. So, every other day, ilalagay namin ito sa on the lower part of our basta sa baba ng puso, basta something here na area. Let me show you. I'm sorry. Here na area dito. So may mga araw na every 2 patches. May araw din na 4. 2 dito, 4 dito. Tapos merong araw din na 6 pieces. So, 3 dito, 3 din sa likod. On the same area in which, pag pinaikot mo parang ganun, same sila ng position. Ganyan. So, meron din 8. Ang pinakamarami talaga is 8 pieces. So, I don't know if hanggang kailan ito because they just gave us 26 pieces, I think. Nakalagay dyan. Ayan. So, ayun lang. And, dapat, pag lalagay ka nito is, the same siya ng oras sa kung kailan mo siya nilalagay. So, sabi ng asawa ko, na lang daw, 8:00 ng gabi. Kasi, para may enough time ako after work, ganyan. Tapos, enough time ako para gawin yung mga dapat kong gawin bago ako maglagay ng estrogen patches. So, ayun lang. Malapit na talaga tayo, guys. Holy Lord! And malapit na din ang winter break namin. So, next week, last week na ng work namin. So, hanggang Friday and then the long break na. In the, winter break sa buong Japan. Well, may ibang company na may trabaho pa rin. But anyways, kami, break na namin. And, ayun lang. Just a quick update. See you! So, hello guys! Today is already January. It's January 7. So, Happy New Year, everybody. Happy 2025. I hope that the new year brings you luck, good luck, and more blessings. Wow, may pa-message. Anyway, so last time, the last update that I had was last December 20. So, and then after that, December 27, Friday, we went to the clinic again, and then they've given us more estrogen patches and progesterone. This one. Progesterone na binigay sa akin, it can be injections, or it can also be like this, suppository. So I chose this one, Onicrine, I think, or Crinone, I don't know, like that. So vaginal suppository siya na merong applicator. Tama ba? So basta, ano siya, parang siyang may malaking tube dito. Ganyan. Tapos nandun lahat ng progesterone. So, parang every morning to siya iti-take. Not siya iti-take, I mean, ipuput inside the flower that brings together. Yan. So, if-flick mo lang siya ng, so that lahat ng progesterone pupunta dun sa ano ba? Ano ba tawag dun? Dun sa malaking tube. So, pagpasok mo nito sa flower, ano ba ito? I-press mo yung parang dito niya na, na lahat ng progesterone para pumasok doon sa yun na yun. Okay? So, the progesterone helps to prepare the uterine lining for the embryo transfer. Ayan. Because because tomorrow, this January 8th, is the day that the Lord has made. Tomorrow na tayo magta-transfer. Okay. At 4:45 p.m. So, I've been using progesterone since January 3. So, every day siya, every morning. Tapos, dapat, same time, ganyan. So, I wake up 7:45 a.m. or 8 a.m. like that to put this. And it is advised after your pee or yung waste mo, ganyan, in the morning after, ganyan. So, puput mo to, ganyan. So, pag gising mo naman, di ba, iihi ka. So, after that, that's the time that I put it inside. Ganyan. Yung sinuggest sa akin, hindi naman injection. So, more on, kasi ako, low stimulation, or lang sa akin. Mga may liit-liit. Yung mga non-something lang. Not-something. Basta yun. Ayan. So, today, tonight pala, I have to change my estrogen patch. Ito. Today, it's scheduled 4 pieces. Ganyan. So, I will show you. Wow, naghubad. I will show you kung anong mukha nun. Diba? It's around here in this area. Ayan. So, ayan na siya. Nakalagay dyan. Ganyan. So, dito siya sa right side ko. So, tonight, dito naman ako maglalagay. Sa left na naman. So, I'm just gonna take this one out and then dito ko naman siya ipuput. And then, every other day, change. Yan. So, nakaschedule siya. Kaya tumitingin ako sa kalendaryo namin. Kasi, doon ko nilalagay lahat ng schedule para hindi ko makalimutan at hindi ako malito-lito. So, sinusulat ko na doon yung schedule ko. Sa morning, sa gabi, ganyan. So, I am done with my Baserilin nasal spray, yung spray, ganyan. Tapos na ako nun. I ran out last January 3 already. So, wala na akong, dapat mag-end yun 4. Pero wala nang laman yung nasal spray. So, I think, nakalagay naman doon na 2 to 3 days na run out siya, it's okay lang daw. So, ayun. So, kaya ang ko na lang ngayon is palitan ng patches, and then nung 3 nag-start ako ng progesterone. So, tomorrow, prior sa I think I have to prepare some things for the transfer. And ayun, and I hope and pray that it will be a success. Okay, so that's it for tonight. So I'll see you again tomorrow. Good afternoon, everybody. Papa. Finally, today is our transfer date, Papa. And it's around 4:23 p.m. and we are heading to the clinic. Pasensya na sa aking outfit at winter ngayon, talagang malamig sa labas. Ayun. So we were advised to go there 10 minutes before the lab? Transfer time, tama ba? Transfer time namin is 4:45 p.m. So ayan, pa-sunset na dito. Ayan. So see you guys later for an update. Nervous yan. Hello guys, we're done with the transfer stage. Hi love.
Hello.
Gas ng pinggan.
Hugas ka. Ang asawa di pwede mag-arsa buhay.
Oh, it was advised not to like...
Pwede ma-stress. Ma-stress sa hugas.
Wala dyan tayo wala tayo gas.
Hugas.
Tanawa. Nami patubig. Mainit na tubig.
Kaya antik pa sa nanatag ang amo ang property manager. Huwag mo itong tawag. Putuli na sila gas. Like
Oo.
what?
Ay, nako.
Sabi pa ni Clea, like what?
Ayan, kasi after nan, in a while, mag-dinner. No, love? Ayan. So, ang feeling ko, wow, may feelings ka agad. Ilang oras na. Wala lang. Pero nung mga Papa, nung nandun kami sa clinic, parang meron lang a tiny hinge lang na parang prick pang ganyan. Parang ganyan. Parang ang sensation niya parang katulad nung sa egg collection. Parang ganyan. Pero hindi siya masakit talaga na Pero parang ganyan lang. No, love? Ayun. So, hopefully, this is it. Pansit.
Hi, Chan. We're just transferred today.
Yes.
Wala nang hugas si Papa kaya dili pwede mistress si Mami. So pag magdako na mo di pwede mistress si Mami sa imo. Balos-balos lang na.
Yes, January 8. 4:45 p.m. Papa, no? You're inside Mommy's stamina. No, love?
Mag-good boy ka, mag-good girl ka.
Oo.
Mag-gender reveal ka pag malaki ka na. Wala na budget si Papa dyan.
Ayun. Okay. Mag-stick ka lang na
Si ate mo,
hanggang mag-develop ka.
Yan to si Pa.
Ang
Wala pa
reaction.
nag-reply si ate. Kasi natulog na po ito imong ate.
As always, best in tulog. Best in sleeping beauty.
Pati mo
Nala.
natin tulog pero may kaya. Para mabantayan ka.
Okay, matulog ko siya. Hopefully pohon.
See you nak soon.
Say bye-bye na. See you nak soon.
See you nak. See you soon.